Now let's take a better look into the schedule. As stated before, the schedule is a web application that can be viewed from anywhere you have an internet connection. The schedule application facilitates both the management and the scheduling of the programs. Anytime you want to add to, edit, or change the time of a program, the schedule is a way in which you do that. The first thing you'll notice on the schedule home screen is the currently scheduled programs. Programs are laid out according to the date and time, and you can scroll through the scheduled times with the scroll bar on the right-hand side of the screen. You can also scroll through the weekly schedule by pushing the next week or previous week buttons. One of the most important tasks is learning to quick play. From a remote location, you have the opportunity to log into the system and play something on the computer where MyQuoro is present. Simply hit the quick play button in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. The quick play box will appear. Choose the desired category of audio, next the type, and finally the title. You'll notice that the length of the program will be displayed in parentheses to the right of the title. Once the title is chosen, hit the Submit button. The audio will begin on the player shortly. Click OK to return to the home screen. Since this is your first time using the MyQuoro scheduler, let's learn how to add Quoro Media and Quoro Faith programs to your player. Click on the Quoro Faith or Quoro Media tab. You will notice an Add or Remove Programs button at the top of the screen. Click on the green plus button. The Playlist Manager will appear. Choose the denomination or category in the Quoro Media section. Next, choose the title, and your program will appear in the Resident Programs list. Push the Close button once complete. A message will appear letting you know that the programs you've just chosen will be available in roughly 5 minutes. Click OK to return to the home screen. By adding a new program to the player, you've done two things. First, you've now added this program as an option for quick play. You can quick play it remotely at any time you wish. Secondly, you now have the option to schedule this newly added program. As you'll notice, at the top of the schedule screen is an Add to Schedule button. Push the green plus sign to the left of this. The Add to Schedule box will appear. Follow the steps in order to add a program to the schedule. First, select your category. Next, select your type, and then your title. Select a time you'd like the program to start. The days of the week are auto-populated. If you do not wish to hear the program on a specific day, simply uncheck that box. Select the date range in which you'd like the program to play. Typically, no end date is chosen, but it can be by clicking on the calendar icon. Click Submit once complete. The program we chose is now scheduled. Another unique feature available through MyQuoro is correspondence. If you would like to leave your loved one medical, meal, activities of daily living, or phone call reminders, you may schedule them here. Simply push the Correspondence tab. You will notice an Add or Remove Programs button beside the green plus sign at the top of the screen. Push the green plus and the Playlist Manager will appear. Choose the category of reminder you'd like to leave. Notice that reminders come in male and female voices. Next, titles will appear. Push the green plus button next to any of the titles you wish to make available for listening. They will then be added to the Resident Programs list. A message will appear letting you know that the program you've just chosen will be available in roughly 5 minutes once you push the Close button. Click OK to return to the home screen. By adding this new correspondence reminder to the player, you've done two things. First, you've now added this program as an option for quick play. You can quick play it remotely at any time you wish. Secondly, you now have the option to schedule this newly added reminder. To get back to the schedule screen, simply hit the Schedule tab. At the top of the Schedule tab, you will see the Add to Schedule button. The steps will be exactly the same as how we just added music, faith, or media. The last thing you'll want to learn how to do is contact us and leave us feedback. Simply click the Inbox tab at the top of the screen. Next, click the Add Comment button. Fill in the necessary information and push Submit. We will receive your email instantly and will make every effort to reply within 24 business hours.